start, you want to locate this plastic cover and pop it off using a trim tool. At this point, you'll see this bottom light here. Let's unbolt the 3 10mm nuts that hold this taillight on. Try not to drop this. Now push this through, and you'll see it comes out the other side. This stays in here. Okay, once you pull it through, you can easily disconnect the bulb. Press out on that tab, and here's your old taillight. Go ahead and plug it in. Make sure the connector clicks in. Slide it into its spot here. You have this plastic piece that locks it in on the back. Line up the bolt holes. There we go. Line up the bolt holes, press it through. Let's start on all 3 nuts. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. Let's snug them up. Don't go crazy tight on these because they can break easily. Snug is good. Perfect, right there. And let's get this cover back on. There you go.